Chatham-Kent Fire, Station 17, responded to a reported structure fire at 1 Erie Street in Merlin, Mayor's Technical. The call came in at 11:07 p.m., Friday, October 5th, 2012. Mutual aid was requested from Station 16, Raleigh South, along with the ladder truck from Station 19 in Tilbury. Glenda Sales thanked firefighters for saving her home, which is directly next door to Mayor's Technical. The fire was deemed to be under control at 11:52 p.m. Fire crews remained on scene through the night to put out hotspots and any flare-ups. For CK Review, this is Craig Hendry.